Hello everyone, it's Edward from Ideal Direct Home Improvements, and I just wanted to show you a door that I just finished installing. And this is a double door right behind me. We went brick to brick, new frame, new sill, everything, the whole shebang. There's a couple nice features that I wanted to show you on this. Come a little closer here. This is a fiberglass door and it's stained. We call this a mahogany stain. And it's all, completely installed brick to brick. Like I said, brand new everything. And if you can take a look at, how beautiful the finish is, it's, it's gorgeous in my eyes. And it has a nice frosted glass. We have 3/4 lights in it. And, we just finished caulking it, so the caulking is a little fresh. Caulking matches pretty much bang on, and that's it. And, here with the fiberglass door, we have the multi-point locking system. This is the cream of the crop, the Cadillac of all handsets and locking systems, and I'll show you what it does. You can come on in, turn on the light. So just wanted to show the multi-point locking system. So everything's installed in the door slab itself, okay? And there's 3 points of locking into the fixed door, okay? So I'm gonna close this so you can take a look. And that's it, nice solid, and that's closed. The multi-point locking system is key in a fiberglass door system because it's gonna keep the whole door system tighter, especially on the double door. Having the multi-point lock system, you're never gonna have any cold air coming in either on the top or the bottom, just in case the slab moves. To lock it, as easy as that. Once that's locked, you can't open the handle. If you take a look close. So that's it, I'm gonna unlock it, and that's it. So we put on just paint grade casing because we didn't want to change everything else in the house, but that's it there. Take a look. And now to open up the double door, if you want to come around. Okay, so this is a nicer system than any other double door pin. So before, on the older doors in different manufacturers, you would have a pin here that would be so hard to move up and down, to close and to open. This is nice and simple. You just lift up like so, and then over here on the bottom, you just turn that, and it's as easy as that. That's it. So you have your double door system, and it's all done. Take a look. It's a nice big opening to move stuff in. And then to close the double door system, it's so easy. We don't have pins like the old school style. Take a look, see if you can catch the tip. So I'm just gonna turn this down, and you see, and I'm gonna flip this up, just like that. No more difficult, pins moving up and down. Here's where the interlock from the other door, closes on the multi-point. So I'm just gonna shut this, and that's it. Put this down, and it's easy as 1, 2, 3. This is probably one of the most solid doors in the industry, and it's backed by our warranties and everything. Stained, pre-finished in the factory, and it's all done. Let's close this up again and see if you can pan a little further to catch the whole door. And you hear how solid it is. And that's it. Nice black polished hinges. Easy as that. Unlock. And you can see, if you take a look as I open this, and once the lock is locked, you can't move the handle. So let's take a look outside. Go ahead and catch this in. And that's it. So if you need a nice door installed, call us first, get it done right, and we'll look after you. I do the installation on this door, put a brand new doorbell on, all finished up. Homeowner doesn't have to worry about anything. Installed the casing, even cut back the marble baseboard to fit the casing and not notch the casing out. We did it properly. That's the way we do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. Thumbs up. Have a good day.